Hello, good morning, students. I am Shankalal here. We have studied three acts of the tragedy Macbeth, and we came to know about various ups and downs in this tragedy. How the Macbeth was a brave general, and later on he was incited by his wife and witches, and he went to a wrong path, which is full of wrong crimes and driven by ambition. Now we start Act fourth, and it is in first. In this scene, we see that after the banquet with after killing the Bengal, when Macbeth was upset and the banquet was dispersed without any formalities, and the guests and all were disturbed due to the sudden movements or sudden shouting or sudden different behavior, abnormal behavior of Macbeth. The banquet was over, and later on, when Queen Macbeth asked General about his abnormal behavior and all these things, he says to Lady Macbeth that he will go to witches and will come to know that what is in his future, how he has to handle all these things, and what is going to come. So, dear students, after that scene of Act third, we are starting here the Act fourth scene first, and in this scene, first scene, we see a cavern in the forest where the witches are performing a ritual, and in their ritual, they says, first we says, thrice the branded cat has mewed. This is their black magic which they are performing there, and first we says that the cage, grey malkin, the cage which has grey lines its its body, she has given she has given three voices regularly. And then second which says that tries and has the head big wind. And another which that was in the form of a bow or a pig. He also has given its voice thrice. And third which that is in the form of a harpier, she also and that also cries that. So all these witches were making noises, were crying, or we were giving the voices to perform their black magic. Then first we says round about the cauldron go. Cauldron is a pot in that some things, some of obnoxious things, or we can say disgusting things. They are boiling there and preparing to perform the plague magic. And first we say round about the cauldron go in the poison and test through. Told that under cold stone days and nights, say trusty one, sweeter venom sleeping or both the first a charm. वो कहती है कि इसमें in the poison enters through the under cold stone. वो कहती है में coal throat a frog which is most poisonous and has sat regularly under a stone for a certain period. Its leg has been thrown in that cauldron. Dear student, ये जो हैं एक इनका ब्लैक मैजिक के लिए परफॉर्मिंग सा रिचुअल सा है, परफॉर्म से हैं रिचुअल हैं, और उसके लिए वो उसमें अलग अलग डिस्गस्टिंग चीजें डालती हैं। वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट भी नहीं कह सकते उन लोग इसको कि अपने को हर चीज को देखना है। लेकिन हाँ, अपने को ये जो ड्रामा है उसमें एक मेलोड्रामेटिक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए स्टेज पे इस तरह का विचेस का जो एनवायरनमेंट है, विचेस का जो वर्ल्ड है, विचेस का जो क्लाइमेट है वो कैसा होता है, वो ड्रामेटिस्ट ने यहाँ पे शो किया है। तो कहते एक मेंढक की टांग और क्या कह सकते स्वेल्टर वेनम स्लीपिंग गोट, बकरी का कुछ ऐसा वो विनम, एंड देन फिर और जो चीज़ें हैं ऐसी इस तरह की जानवरों की अंतड़ियाँ आंकड़ियाँ जो भी मतलब डिस्गस्टिंग थिंग्स आर देयर, जो ब्लैक मैजिक वाला जो करते हैं, तो वो सब उसमें डाला है। And then she says that all double double toil and trouble, fire burn and curtain. सभी रायम स्किन सा खाना खाती है. डबल डबल toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron double. We have done the double things and the cauldron is about to boil. And the second which also says, fillet of any snake in the cauldron boil and bake every night into a broth. Full of bait and tongue of dog. कुत्ते की जबान और उसकी बेट है ना, चमगादड़ का खून, और ये सब चीजें हैं, लिजार्ड का लेग, हेलवेट स्किन, ऑल दीज थिंग्स वो दूसरी बीच उसमें डालती है. तो फिर वापस वही राइमिंग वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, डबल डबल ट्वेल्व ट्रबल्स, फायर बर्न एंड एंड देन थर्ड विच भी स्केल ऑफ ड्रैगन, ड्रैगन का स्केल, और टूथ ऑफ ए वुल्फ. This is also there. Witches, mummy, and gulf of the ravens are share. Fruit of hemlock dig dark. हेमलॉक ट्री होता है, पॉइजनस ट्री होता है, उसकी छाल. और लिवर ऑफ ब्लास्फेमस जू, एक जू है जो कि who doesn't believe in the god, a person, उसकी लीवर का कुछ डाला है. तो all these things which are disgusting there, they are putting in the cauldron. And cauldron एक जो बड़ा सा कड़ा है वो उबल रहा है, और उसके लिए ब्लैक मैजिक लेवल फॉर्म कर रही है. एंड फिर वापस वो जो सभी हैं वो गाती हैं, वो एक साथ, सभी एक साथ गाते हैं, डबल डबल ट्वेल्व एंड ट्रिपल, फायर बर्न कॉल्डन बबल, सेकंड विच कूल इट विद बेबन्स ब्लड, देन द चार्म इज फर्मेंट. तो फिर वो कहती है इसको ठंडा होने दो, बेबन्स ब्लड उसको, और ये जो है एक अलग सा मैजिक क्रिएट करेगा, उसके लिए उनको जो शैतानी ताकत हासिल होगी. इन दिस वे all these three witches are performing black magic there in the forest, and later on we come to know that their queen, or their mistress, name of that is Hecate. She comes there, she enters there. Thank you, students. Please continue.